Alright, so you've got a rational equation here. The part that makes this rational is because it's a fraction equals a fraction, and your x values are spread out amongst each other. And I guess because x is in the denominator, we're going to call it a rational. We're going to call it a rational expression or rational equation. First thing you do here, I try to do this first every time. Sometimes I get caught up and forget about it. But first off, you see what values make 0 in the denominator. You're thinking, why would I do that? Well, remember you can't divide by 0. So I know for sure x can't be 5, because 5 minus 5 is 0. And over here, you might be able to look at this and not have to do this part. This little set equals 0. But if you look at it and can't figure it out, you always set the bottom equal to 0. It tells you what the value can't be. Can't be 1. So at least I know that much. And if I do a bunch of work and I get those two values, one of those two values, then there's no solution. Alright, so top tip, if you just have plain values up top, and it's just x plus 1, x minus 1, you just have numbers on top, I would suggest you do the cross product of a proportion. Remember, the cross products of a proportion are equal. So I'm just going to say negative 5 times the bottom, 2 times this bottom. They have to be equal to each other because the two fractions are equal. So distribute your 2, distribute your negative 5. I guess I'll add the 5x. I like putting the x's on the left. And I'll add the 2 away. 7x equals 27. And then we'll divide by 7. My x value that I get is 27 over 7. Notice that I'm okay with that. That's not one of my restrictions. So this is my answer. So the idea here is you should be able to take 27 over 7, plug it in right here and right here, and this side will equal this side. The two values will equal each other once you calculate both of those. And if you could do that in your calculator, make sure you put parentheses around the bottom.